high coolant temp.
Okay, let's turn off the Cummins, reach between my legs and turn them off. Okay, so we've got a low oil pressure alarm because the engines are not running. That's normal.
Okay.
So we've got a generator that stopped on us twice. And right there we've got a flashing light. And that's a diagnostic light, just like on your cars. You know how people used to stick the thing under the dashboard and read the flashing light?
Yep.
So that's what you got to do here, is you read down there the codes. And it says to count the flashing lights, and you count it, and it says high coolant temperature.
Yep, it says 1 rapid, and that's only 1 rapid, so that says high coolant temp.
Okay, so how will your coolant or your antifreeze get hot? There's 2 ways.
Not enough water to cool it.
Not enough circulation,
Yeah.
but is it the popped fan belt that turns the recirculating water pump, or is it the rubber impeller that goes inside of that brass impeller housing? So look down there to the right side of that yellow tag. See the fan belt back there? Can you see the fan belt?
No. Get down.
Okay. See that little yellow decal with the triangle on it?
No, I don't see it.
No, go up. Go up. Move your hand
there it
up.
is. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, pull on it.
It's pretty tight.
Pretty tight.
Yeah.
So it may not be a fan belt issue. By the way, there's no fan on there, but we just call them fan belts. So what we'll do next is we'll start the engine and see that brass water pump?
Yeah.
Touch it again. It's going to burn you.
Yep.
Pretty hot?
Yep.
Okay, let's establish a benchmark with this thermometer
Okay.
and read it.
171.
That's awfully hot. Okay, go to the local starting over here. See if we can start it. That rattle is the fuel pump. Okay, try it again. Hold it. And when it runs, hold it a little more. Okay, let go. Now read the temperature on the water pump.
154.
Okay, keep watching it.
146.
Okay, that's good. Watch it some more.
148.
Okay. Use your flashlight and look in the strainer to see if the strainer's plugged up.
This one?
Yes.
Nope, it's just fine.
And you see stuff swirling around in there?
Just a few pieces of grass.
Okay, so that means we have water movement, water flow.
Which is good.
Okay, read the water pump again.
145.
So we're steady at 145. I think it should be closer to 100.
Really?
So we might have lost 1 or 2 veins off of the pump. 142.
Oh, I got you.
Okay, go ahead and turn it off. And buckle it up, and that's another action item for the guy that's going to take all your money out of the bank fixing it.
Now,
We have an impeller part.
Yeah, that's great. You own one. That's super.
Do you think that's what it is, the impeller?
I'm going to say it's an assumption right now.
Yeah.
So if we've got, let's say that impeller's got 8 veins.
Yep.
So 8 veins equals 100%. Oh, let's make the math easy. 10 veins makes 100%.
Yep.
And if you lost 2, you're at 80%.
Right.
So we might be less than 100%. So not only might the veins be missing, but we got to go find the veins. And that's not a job for today because it's hot.
Yeah.
That's a job for another day.
Yeah.
Do we have that impeller anywhere?
Right in the drawer to your right.
Right there. There it is, right there. Cummins Onion Parts. There's the impeller.
We checked it. The part number.
There's the veins.
Yeah.
So this is the part.
yeah.
And I don't know if you want to take on the challenge tomorrow, or some of your buddies here in the marina can help you take on the challenge
Right.
when it's cooler.
Right.
It's not difficult to change, but you're going to curse up a storm for the first time. Second time it's going to be easy. First time's a learning curve.
Does it matter which direction it goes in?
Does not matter. Does
Okay.
not matter. So,
It's easily accessible. I got the ratchets to be able to take it off.
super.
It up. It could be, if it's a rainy day, that could be a rainy day project.
Sure.
But going out now, we're kind of stuck.
No, we're not. We just don't have air conditioning. That's all. No air conditioning. So we're doing good. And this is more owner maintenance.
Yep.
And it's Friday afternoon. And if you did not know how to do it, or if you wanted to call somebody at 4 o'clock on a Friday afternoon, they're going to chuckle
Yeah.
until they come out Monday or Tuesday.
Right.
So that means your weekend is ruined.
Yeah.
Unless you know how to do it yourself. And you can do it, but you want to let it cool down
Right.
and do
Right.
it first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that'll be a good deal.
Right, because when I go to shore power, not obviously using that, it'll
Generator's
cool
off.
overnight. We'll have air conditioning. Everything's good as gold until the morning. When I want to fix this thing, it'll be much cooler. If I can't fix it, I just put it back the way it was.
Exactly.
And we got a laundry list we're going to deal with anyway.
Sure. Now, if you take it apart and you cannot get it back together, close the seacock down there. Close the seacock
Yep.
so no water comes in.
Uh-huh. Do I need to close that to fix it? Will water come shooting out when I open up that?
Water will dribble out, but it won't shoot
So I
out.
don't need to close the seacock to replace the propeller.
Depends on how much comes out and how uncomfortable you get. But remember when you bought the boat?
Yep.
We found this.
Yep.
Do not operate. Here it says engine seacock's closed, seawater seacock off, generator seacock closed. So if you close the generator seacock, you want to put this
So you
on
don't
the
forget.
panel
Yeah.
where you start the generator, which is over here. That's the panel for the generator, right there. So that way nobody will accidentally start it
Yeah.
without the rubber impeller in place.